Big Milfy ain't been to the beach since that late night. Big Milfy ain't been to the beach since that late night swim for me. So I had to. Feel me? Who are you? Alright, so before I was rudely interrupted by that knocking on the door, they was coming to check the AC. But you know, Big Milfy ain't been in the water since that late night swim. I didn't even count because I wasn't even in there long. So I'm about to spend some time in that water today, you feel me? This is the bathing suit I wore my first day out. I ain't wear it out since, so you know, I had to crisscross it, you know. A little spice it up a little PCP, and fine. And I gotta bust a little wine every time, feel me? It won't be me if I ain't bust a little something. But yeah, I'm about to get him dressed. I just got me ready. I went and rinsed off a little bit because I had to shave my bikini area and exfoliate a little bit. And I had to shave my legs and stuff and my underarms. I just did that, and I'm about to get him dressed and ready to go, so we could go in the water. You ready to go in the water? Huh? You ready to go in the water? Yeah, let me get you dressed. We'll be back when we get there. I don't know. I gotta clean up the screen because he be low-key trying to be slick and mess with my camera when I'm not looking, and he be trying to open the lens when it's off. So I have to clean off the screen a little bit. Look at this guy. We'll be back. I was gonna bring some of my wine in his bottle, but something told me not to. Plus I had to deal with opening and then all that. I didn't want to deal with all of that. So it's supposed to be a calm day. We're definitely gonna catch the sunrise for shizzle today. Pretty clear today. Like, I've been looking from the window all day, and it's been pretty clear all day. That's why I like this spot. It's really like a local spot. Not many people come here. You already know what time it is. I'll come back when I get to my spot. So as long as I took to come out here, I said I wanted to be, first I said 10, then 11, then I just stopped timing myself. I was like, I get out there when I get out there. I thought I was fully prepared. I forgot a blanket and a towel for me and him. It's alright though, we gonna be in the water. We ain't gonna really be in the sand, so it's alright. Ready to get in the water? Huh? Yeah? That's what that means. You ready? Little boy just put a whole rock in his mouth. I just had to surf it out. And he flipped, I have him strapped in there. So he flipped the whole thing over. It looked like a crab shell. Like a little hermit. Alright, let's go on water now. Come back. So, we had our first little dip for now. Of course, he fell asleep. I told y'all he always falls asleep in the water. And we sitting on his canopy. And I'm feeding him blueberries. So, we having a little snack break. And then we go back in. Wait a second, let me get it. Smiling. I gotta scoop it out because he don't know how to swallow the skin. Like, he would just eat and eat until it's just the skin left, and then he would just leave the skin and swirling around in his mouth. So I have to scoop it out. Get the skin in his smoothies. And I have that for him too in his bag. I made a watermelon, blueberry, blackberry, pineapple, strawberry smoothie. Oh, you look so good, son. Wait a second. Hey, relax yourself. Yeah. When I was in the water, this lady swam past me, and this is when he was sleeping in his floaty, and I was just meditating, closing my eyes, and she swam past me, and she was like, "You're such a good mommy," and it made me feel so good to hear that, because I honestly don't hear that enough. Like, and strangers be telling me more than, you know, families and people that know me and stuff. Like, it's so crazy, but it's like, if a stranger could see that from afar, then I know for a fact I'm doing what I gotta do. And they only seen a little glimpse, you feel me? The sun was blocked by the clouds for a while, and it's now starting to come back out. I was begging, I was like, come on, I need you right now, because we have not been getting no vitamin D. We really just been in the crib, and whenever we did come out, it was after hours, when the sun was already, not after hours, but the sun was already, you know, going down. So we haven't really been getting no vitamin D for real. I hope y'all can hear me good too, because I know it's like wind and the waves and stuff. I might have to get a mic. I need stuff, man. I need equipment. But you know, we gonna get there. None of that stuff is important. The most important part is the camera, and I done got that already, so you feel me? Everything else will come with time. I'm not even rushing anything in. I already know how it goes. Nim. Maybe one more. Here. I think I'm gonna let him try some salmon and pasta today. Hey, relax yourself. Come on, you're not done. He see his food, because I took it out because it was still a little bit cold. I'm waiting for it to get like room temp to give it to him. He see his food in the stroller, so he wanna go for it because he's greedy. Relax. You wanna eat or what? So impatient. He be smacking too now. Even before he eat, like as soon as I pull my titty out, like that's his new thing, smacking for food. Little boy something else. Him. Wait a second. Relax yourself. Relax yourself. It's coming. Stop being impatient. Nothing in life comes with impatience, okay? You'll never get it if you're impatient. Hey, hello. Hello. You still got peace in your mouth? Oh, no, I'm too fast for you. Hey, relax. Now he going for the camera. Now he going for this snack. Yo, he's just greedy. Like, literally, if I let him eat all day, he really would. Like, he's just a fat boy. You would think he would be fatter than that, but I be controlling his eating habits. This is actually a perfect day and a perfect time to come out though, because the sun wasn't too hot, you know, we're not burning to a crisp. You know, my skin just really my face is still peeling. Like and now I'm getting it to stop peeling, so that's really why I was hiding out, because I didn't want my skin to look crazy for too long. Even though I know the salt water helps with stuff like that, I just, you know, I didn't want to mess it up even more, because the sun be hot when it be hot. So especially when you on the beach too, it's something about the beach that make the sun just that much hotter. I really want to get a picture of him. I am going to get a picture of him in the water in his floaty, because he looks so cute and so relaxed in it. Look at this guy. Only my child. Why are you standing on a water bottle? So when you fall, then only my child. Clouds is being, I don't even know what to call it, grimy. Because y'all know what I came here for. Ain't none. It's barely been any sun. It's not funny. Oh boy. Your girl look cool. My skin was peeling down here and I started going ham and scratching it this morning, so now I got a little cut here. But my skin has been doing way better. Like y'all know how much sunspots I had on both sides of my face, and they're clearing up. There's still a little bit there. It's almost gone. Stop eating sand, okay? Look at guilty. This little boy literally, I don't even know how it happened, but because he had doo-dooed in his water pamper, and it's not a disposable one, it's a rewatchable one though. So it just came right out. But while I'm changing his pamper, I look up at him and both of his eyes like pooled with sand. How did he get? Can you stop? Both of his eyes were pooled with sand. I literally had to do everything in my power to dust it off, scrape it off, wipe it off. I put water in the cap, washed it out a little bit. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy upon Miss Percy. Give me strength to chop, because boy, this little guy right here, piece of work and a half. I already knew that since I was pregnant with him. But sheesh. Hey, stop eating the sand. What I said. I wanted to stay, but This like it's no sun and it's starting to get cool. And I want to cook too, so it's already 5:30. I wanted to stay maybe for another hour, but I don't know. I kind of wanted to get back in the water too, but it's mad breezy and I ain't got no towel, so I know it's gonna be cold by the time I get back in there. It was already cold when we went in, so it's gonna be even colder by the time. There's no sun now. Hey boy. Hey. Hey. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo. Hey boy. See how he answered to that? I see you. My boy is so handsome. Everybody always think he's a girl. It's so funny. Everybody always think he's a girl, and I'd be like, no, he's just pretty as hell. Pretty boy. Then I so cold. Yeah, I need to eat because all I had was some pancakes and bacon today, and I just been snacking. Just snacked on a few veggie sticks and some granola just now, but that ain't enough. I'm hungry. He just had a thing of peas, blueberries, a smoothie. Hey, stop it! Okay, yeah. When he starts to get like this, I ain't got time. Okay, so it's time for us to cut out. Come, let's dip our feet one last time before we go. Ready? Come. Come. So scared to walk by himself. Like he already took a step by himself before, but he'd be so scared that he just fall. Come on, big boy. Come on, pay attention. Hey, focus. Hello. Come on. What are you doing? Get up. Crazy. I don't know what that was about. Come on. Come on. Woo! It's not too bad. It's pretty fun. It's not bad. It feels good actually. Alright. It's time for us to get out of here. Scary. So that's as much of the sunset as we got. You can still see the colors, and you can still see like the beams coming down from above the clouds, which is still pretty cool. Bless you, Papa. You can still see. It's still pretty. I've really been doing it every day. And even if I like miss I wouldn't even say a day, because like I'll like wake up in the middle of the night. If I miss the actual day, I'll wake up in the middle of the night and do it for the previous day. So I haven't been missing any of them. I've been doing pretty good with them. But I'm about to get this done real quick, and then we about to head in, and I'm gonna cook for us, and I'm gonna call it a night. Feel me? So I super lied about cooking. Like, I just remembered, like, I had just washed, I stripped the whole bed, washed all the sheets and stuff, so I have to make the whole bed right now. I still gotta give him a bath. I gotta wash his hair because he got sand all up in his hair. Thank God I didn't go under, because I was not trying to deal with that. Plus I wasn't trying to mess it up. But I still gotta give myself a shower and all that, and I still need to make myself something to eat. But I ain't cooking. I'm about to throw something in the oven, make a quick chicken sandwich or something like that, because baby, it's already 7:30 and I'm beat. He been beat. Like, he ain't getting no good nap for the day, so it's quick for cooking. I'll cook tomorrow, because it's not even gonna take that long. I just don't feel like seasoning. I don't feel like doing all that right now. Plus I want to get a video edited. I need to still edit my birthday, the day of my birthday video, so I'm gonna probably do that right now. Like, I'm like 3-4 videos behind in editing. Like, I'm trying to go in sequential order. Like, I'm not even gonna, I was thinking about posting this today, but I was like, nah, because then it's gonna throw me off and I'm not gonna want to edit the other one, so I'm still gonna post in sequence. So I'm gonna try to get that birthday video edited. Well, I'm not gonna try, I'm gonna do it, because I already transported the videos to my iPad. So I'm gonna get that done after I take care of him and me and I eat and stuff. So yeah. Alrighty then.